we lost old Brown.
Thanks to one of Dad's good old secret tunnels.
Here we are. This is where the party was.
Just look what that squirrel did. Oh! No! Not again!
I remember. I went over here.
Ah, please stop!
Oh, and then I did this.
My good china! Oh!
And this.
Nutkin, careful!
Oh, no eyeglasses in there. Guess I lost them somewhere else. Maybe the farm.
Oh, no!
No! Not my sardines!
Got it.
Got you!
Help me. Hide me.
Take cover!
It's just a bird. It's just a bird. Ah! It's a really big bird!
Trapped! Like the bunch of bunny bandits you are!
There's our escape tunnel, but it's too far away.
Then we'll take the table to the tunnel. Come on, like this.
Not the silver! Oh!
Sorry about your tea party, Mr. Fisher.
Yeah,
Squirrel,
sorry.
Nutkin! What's that last step?
You did it! We did it!
I think my next party will be indoors.
Okay, Nutkin. You said you might have left the eyeglasses at the farm. Where exactly?
Florence!
Oh.
Nutkin! Nutkin! Nutkin!
What?
Think! Where could you have left the glasses? Let's split up and find them.
Could they be over here?
Don't think so.
Here then?
Nope.
What about... Wait, were you actually at the farm today, Nutkin?
Come to think of it, no.
Not so far!
Go! Left a bit, right a bit. Benjamin, get ready to catch the cake.
Ow! That didn't feel like a cake.
Tail feathers! Who did that? Rapscallion rabbits!
Run faster! Oh no! Look!
Come
They
here!
don't look very happy.
Tail feathers!
It's all my fault. Running around, blaming everyone, making them angry at us. I'm sorry.
It's okay, Peter. You were just trying to get Cottontail's cake back.
Well, I got us into this mess, and I'm going to get us out.
But how? They can see us coming. We can't just disappear.
Maybe we can. Lily, do you still have that leftover flour?
Right here in my just-in-case pocket. You know, just in case.
They can't catch what they can't see.
It's awful foggy all of a sudden. There! Right, let's get up, gotcha! Where'd you go? Get off! Try it fast.
Yes!
Ooh. Rotten rabbits!
What are you doing, you feathery oaf?
I thought you were those rabbits. You must have let them escape.
Pah, we let them escape. You're the one who was following them.
You three are a bunch of bungling boneheads.
At least we're not stuck like you.
I'm not stuck. I'm just sharpening my claws.
Looks like we were all stuck. Thanks to Peter Rabbit.
I'm sorry, Mum. I looked everywhere and I just couldn't find Cottontail's cake.
Never mind, Peter. You tried.
But how could that cake just have disappeared? It was right. Wait a minute.
What is it, Peter?
Cottontail, it was you all along. You stole your own birthday cake. You naughty little rabbit.
Birthday cake. Yeah, me.
Think you can wake up a badger and get away with it? Where am I?
Oh, hi, Dad.
Lily Bobtail, do you know what time it is?
Dinner's been on the table for half an hour.
Badger.
No, Warren, we're having carrots and celery.
I mean, I smell Badger. Lily?
All right, maybe I was chased by Tommy Brock, but I got away. I'm fine.
That does it. This valley is just too dangerous. I said if there was one more scrape like this, one more brush with badgers or foxes or owls, we were leaving. No buts. My mind is made up. We're moving.
But how can we be friends if you move away? I know, Benjamin. But my parents don't think I'm safe here. Maybe I can come and visit.
Well, I think it's rotten. What about you, Peter? What we need is a picnic.
Peter, how can you even think about food at a time like this? I'm moving away.
Listen, we'll have a picnic and invite your mum and dad. And show them this is the safest place in the world.
Aren't you forgetting something? It's never safe with Tommy Brock and Mr. Todd and Old Brown around.
We just have to make sure they don't show up to our picnic. Come on, let's hop to it.
Off you go, no time to lose, you best be on your way. Off you go, 'cause you can't afford to fail today. Proceed with care, think fast and stay aware, and you'll succeed at what you're trying to do. So off you go, and you should know the golden reach is waiting there for you.
Quick, let us down.
All right.
Thanks, Nutkin.
Pleasure.
Door shut.
Check.
Windows and chimney blocked.
Check.
Open up! Open the door!
Now they're all locked up inside.
Will you?
It's time for a completely safe picnic with your mum and dad. This is our chance. All right, it's not much of a chance, but we have to try. You keep a lookout. I'm going in. Phew-wee! Do badgers ever take baths? I don't know which is worse, his smell or his snoring.
Be careful, Peter. Tell me when it's over.
Lily,
You'll wake Mr. Brock. It's Mr. Todd. No, it's Mr. Brock, Benjamin. Remember? He's a badger. Mr. Todd's a silly fox!
Ow! Oh, missed again.
aha! Found it.
Peter Rabbit, with his back turned, and it's not even my birthday. One rabbit all wrapped up and ready for the pot.
Who? Hey, where's my sack? Give me back my sack! Get you.
My dear fellow, you can have your sack just as soon as I've got my rabbit.
Oh, you mean that squeaky toy? No, it's mine.
Toy? No, no, no. I'm talking about the delicious real rabbit that's in here. If you'll just let me show you. I don't want your squeaky toy.
Hey!
See? Easy, old chap. Let's not get angry.
Ah!